Hello, my name is Carrie Kepler. I'm a functional training coach. If you would like to improve the quality of your life or improve your athletic ability, you can contact me for further information at www.boundless-energy.com. The exercise that I will be performing is a stability ball push-up. This will increase the upper body strength and increase the torso strength through your core while developing balance and stability. I'm going to show you a beginner, an intermediate, and advanced position. Each one should be progressed throughout your workout, and you can do 8 to 10 reps building up to 15.